Look at the ducks. What do the ducks say? Quack, quack. Pigs. Quack. Cheese, yeah. Is that mine?
Cheese.
Is that mine?
Mom.
Say mine. Whack, whack. It's a clock. Can you say mummy? Quack, quack, yeah. Can you say mummy? Tabitha, say mummy. Say daddy. Say Harry. Say Harry. Harry. What? Really? What's that? A clock? Clock. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Good girl. You're so clever.
Bye.
Bye.
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
This is a potato.
Yeah. Hey, what's this? What's that? Juice? Juice. Yeah. What's that? What is it? Car? Say car. Cheese. Yeah, you're good at saying cheese. Oh, excuse you. What was that? Cheese?
Owie.
An owie? Yeah, you're pretty.